It's understandable to feel afraid of being judged or criticized for writing a book, as this can also be, something like vulnerable and personal experience for many people. And it's important to recognize that these fears are normal and very common actually, but they should not prevent individuals from pursuing their goals, right? Writing a book is like putting a piece of yourself out into the world, and there's always there's a risk of judgment or criticism, and there will always be tire kickers and naysayers, but this risk should not prevent individuals from sharing their unique perspectives and voice with the world, should it? Writing a book can be a transformative experience that allows individuals to share their knowledge, share their creativity, and what they know with others. When we share our experiences and perspectives, we can inspire and connect with other people in more meaningful ways, isn't it? To overcome the fear of being judged or criticized for writing a book, it is important to focus on the positive impact it can have on others and the personal growth and fulfillment it can bring. Instead of focusing on the 1% negative people that are anyways, they are going to find fault with others, you can focus on the other 99% of the people that you can help, you can inspire or teach through your book. Isn't this more fulfilling? Like, if you continue to be afraid of being judged or criticized, you may miss out on the opportunity to share your unique perspective with others and connect with others in more meaningful ways. On the other hand, if you shift this belief and focus on the positive impact and the personal growth that can come from writing a book, you can overcome your fears, and the dream of becoming an author could be quite real. All you have to do is take that first step. Take action by focusing on the positive impact. Go to www.stardombooks.com, fill in your details, and schedule a free consultation with one of our publishing advisors today. Within a few weeks, you could be on your way to writing your own book.